Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today I look at this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Escape ST Line Elite. The exterior color is Agate black, and under the hood is a 2-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 18-inch wheels and Hankook tires as well as color matched handles and mirror caps. This 2023 Escape also comes with remote start as well as remote entry access. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have drive-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings on the door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments looking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, our cruise control options on the left, and our median hand-free options on the right. Just above being a rearview mirror, while our cabin lighting. Looking forward to our center face, you'll see options available such as our phone connection, radio, as well as settings, features, and applications, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Escape ST Line Elite, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.